Okay, Salwa, today we will look at to be able to do something. To be able to do something, it is similar to can. So if you are able to do something, you can do it. If you are able to swim, then you can swim. It means you can swim. If you are able to speak Spanish, it means you can speak Spanish. If you are able to run, it means you can run. If you are able to play, it means you can play. Okay. So again, it's talking about the ability or even possibility. So are you able to help your sister? Answer, please.
Yes, I'm able to help my sister.
Meaning you can help your sister. You have the ability to help your sister. You have the possibility to help your sister. Okay. Now, if you take it to the past, I will ask, were you able to help your sister yesterday?
Yes, I was able to help Yes, I was able to help her yesterday.
Okay. So you were able to help your sister yesterday. It means you had in the past yesterday. Yesterday is in the past. So you had the ability to help your sister yesterday, or you had the possibility or chance to help your sister yesterday. Okay, so the next question goes, what did you help her with?
I helped her with her homework.
So you helped her with her homework. She needed help with her homework, and you helped her with her homework. Okay, were you able to help your dad yesterday?
No, I wasn't able to help him yesterday.
Very good. So you didn't have a chance to help your dad yesterday, or you didn't have the ability to help him yesterday. Okay, the next question is, were you able to help your mom yesterday?
Yes, I was able to help her yesterday.
Okay, you were able to help your mom yesterday. It means you had the ability to help your mom yesterday, or you had the chance to help your mom yesterday. So the next question goes, what did you help her with?
I helped her with cleaning the sitting room.
Okay, you help her with cleaning. So maybe she was cleaning the sitting room and she said, Salwa, can you help me with this? And you had time and you knew how to clean. So you helped her with cleaning the sitting room. Understand?
Yes.
This is how you use to be able to. Let's move on to the next thing. So to be able to do something in the past. Yeah, I'll ask you the questions and you will answer. Let's go. Were you able to help your sister yesterday?
Yes, I was able to help my sister yesterday.
Were you able to sleep last night?
Yes, I was able to sleep last night.
Very good. Were you able to do your homework yesterday?
Yes, I was able to do my homework yesterday.
Okay. Were you able to finish your homework?
Yes, I was able to finish my homework.
Very good. Were you able to catch the bus?
Yes, I was able to catch the bus.
Very good. So when you say, yes, I was able to catch the bus, it means you didn't miss the bus. You managed to catch the bus. Okay. When you
Okay.
say, I was able to sleep last night, it means you slept last night. You didn't stay awake. Yeah. You didn't
Ye-
find it hard to sleep. So you slept last night. Okay.
Yes.
Let's move on to the next thing, which is very important. Possibility or ability, undone. I might explain later why I said undone. So I'll ask you the question and you will answer. And through this, you will understand the meaning. This also means possibility or ability, but in the past. Yeah.
Okay.
It means you had the ability or possibility or a chance to do something. Yeah.
Okay.
So could you walk when you were 6 months old?
No, I couldn't walk when I was 6 months old.
See, when you were 6 months old, you had your legs, your feet, but you didn't know how to walk. You didn't have the ability to walk,
Yeah.
because if you want to walk, you have to stand up first and then carry your body and move. So you couldn't stand up and you couldn't walk, because at that time you didn't know how to do it and you didn't actually have that ability to do the walking. So you couldn't walk when you were 6 months. Okay. Could you speak when you were 4 months old?
No, I couldn't speak when I was 4 months old.
Very good. Could you run when you were 1 year old?
No, I couldn't run when I was 1 year old.
Yeah, when you were 1 year old, you could only maybe stand up and walk 1 or 2 steps, but you couldn't run. It's not easy.
Yeah.
It's not possible to run for a 1 year old baby or toddler, they say. So could you cry when you were just born?
Yes, I could cry when I was just born.
Yeah, every baby can cry when they are born straight away. So could you smile when you were a few days old?
Yes, I could smile when I was a few days old.
Very good. Could you sleep when you were a few days old?
Yes, I could sleep when I was a few days old.
Very good. Could you hear when you were just born?
Yes, I could hear when I was just born.
Okay. And could you see when you were just born?
Yes, I could see when I was just born.
Very good. Could you feel hot or cold when you were just born?
Yes, I could feel hot or cold when I was just born.
Okay. Could you eat bread when you were just born?
No, I couldn't eat bread when I was just born.
Yeah, it's not easy to eat bread for a baby. So could you drink tea when you were just born?
No, I couldn't drink tea when I was just born.
Okay. Could you speak properly when you were 2 years old?
And no, I couldn't speak properly when I was 2 years old.
Very good. So hopefully you understood it. Make sure you practice it properly at home so you can use it in your speaking. Thank you.